To connect Uniswap to Coinbase wallet, you will need to have both a Uniswap account and a Coinbase wallet. First, open the Coinbase wallet app on your device and navigate to the browser section. Type in the Uniswap website URL and select the correct website from the search results. Once you are on the Uniswap website, click on the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner of the page. A list of available wallets will appear. Select Coinbase Wallet from this list. You will then be redirected to the Coinbase Wallet app, where you will be prompted to select the account you wish to connect to Uniswap. Choose the account you want to use and confirm that you want to connect it to Uniswap. You will then be taken back to the Uniswap website, where you should now see that your Coinbase wallet is connected. You can verify this by looking at the top right corner of the page, where your account address should now be displayed. To start using Uniswap with your Coinbase wallet, click on the Trade button and select the tokens you wish to trade. Enter the amount you want to trade and confirm the transaction. Your Coinbase wallet will then prompt you to confirm the transaction, including the gas fee and the amount of tokens being traded. After confirming the transaction, it will be processed on the blockchain and the tokens will be transferred to your Coinbase wallet. It is essential to note that you should always be cautious when trading on Uniswap and only trade with funds you can afford to lose. Additionally, make sure to keep your Coinbase wallet and Uniswap account secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can easily connect your Coinbase wallet to Uniswap and start trading tokens. Always prioritize security and be aware of the risks involved with trading on a decentralized exchange like Uniswap.